Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Learn Arabic grammar the easy way. In this lesson, we will take the verb tadabbara. The verbs on this pattern occur in the Quran 400 times almost. And here is the word cloud figure, where the more the frequency of a word, the bigger its size. So as you can see, tawalla and tadhakkara and tawakkala are those which occur many times. We are learning, by the way, the verbs which have extra letters in their 3-letter root. So for example, from alima to allama or salima to aslama, and these are mazid fi verbs. To remember them, we have 2 sentences. Can you repeat after me? Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
These 5 mazid fi verbs, the verbs on these 5 styles occur in the Quran 8,200 times, that is once in every line. But we are learning tadabbara, which is not part of these, so we are learning some more mazid fi verbs, mazid fi styles. By the way, the codes are for 3-letter sound verbs. We have single letter like fa for fataha, noon for nasara, da for daraba, and sin for sami'a. For weak letters, we have 2-letter codes. For example, wa'a for wa'ada, qa for qala, and so on. And for mazid fi, these are the extra, I would say, these are the codes where we have plus sign there. For example, for tadabbara, that we are going to learn, we have ta, da, and plus sign there. So we'll take tadabbara. Tadabbara means he pondered. And what do we have in terms of extra letters? Ta in the beginning and shadda on the 3rd letter. Tadabbara. Okay, tadabbara. From dabbara we have tadabbara. Again, for tadabbara, the forms will be similar to fa'ala. We have fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altu, fa'altum, fa'alna. So we will have tadabbara, tadabbaru, tadabbarta, tadabbartu, tadabbartum, tadabbarna. Just carry those extra letters and shadda, the extra letter ta and the shadda in all the forms. So can you translate? Tadabbara means he pondered. Bismillah. Tadabbara,
he pondered.
Tadabbaru,
They pondered.
Tadabbarta,
You pondered.
By the way, I hope you remember tadabbara. Quran is revealed for tadabbur and tadakkur. Allah sent down the Quran so that we ponder, we think deeply over the verses. So tadabbara means he pondered. Anyway, tadabbarta, you pondered. Tadabbartu,
I pondered.
Tadabbartum,
You all pondered.
Tadabbarna,
We pondered.
Repeat after me 2 times. Tadabbara, tadabbaru.
Tadabbara, tadabbaru. Tadabbara, tadabbaru.
Tadabbarta, tadabbartu.
Tadabbarta, tadabbartu. Tadabbarta, tadabbartu.
Tadabbartum, tadabbarna.
Tadabbartum, tadabbarna. Tadabbartum, tadabbarna.
Okay, repeat with me. Bismillah.
Tadabbara,
Tadabbaru. Tadabbarta, tadabbartu. Tadabbartum, tadabbarna. Again. Tadabbara, tadabbaru. Tadabbarta, tadabbartu. Tadabbartum, tadabbarna. MashaAllah. Alim. Let's take spoken Arabic. Did he ponder? Hal tadabbara. And we are referring to the Quran. So did he ponder in the Quran or ponder the Quran? So can you answer me with yes? Hal tadabbara?
Naam, tadabbara.
Hal tadabbaru?
Naam, tadabbaru.
Again, hal tadabbara?
Naam, tadabbara.
Hal tadabbaru?
Naam, tadabbaru.
Alim. Now between you and me, hal tadabbarta? What did you say?
Naam, tadabbartu.
Yes, I pondered. Hal tadabbartum?
Naam, tadabbarna.
Yes, we pondered. Again, hal tadabbarta?
نعم تدبرت.
هل تدبرتم؟
نعم تدبرنا.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Let's take فعل مضارع now. We have, starting from اختلف, we have يختلف. Okay, استغفر يستغفر. Similarly, تدبر يتدبر. He ponders. Okay, and the rest are same as we have for يفعل يفعل تفعل يفعل تفعل نفعل. So يتدبر يتدبرون تتدبر أتدبر تتدبرون نتدبر. All right. Can you translate with actions? يتدبر,
He ponders.
يتدبرون,
They ponder.
تتدبر,
You ponder.
أتدبر,
I ponder.
تتدبرون,
You all ponder.
نتدبر.
We ponder.
Okay, repeat after me 2 times. يتدبر يتدبرون.
يتدبر يتدبرون. يتدبر يتدبرون.
تتدبر أتدبر.
تتدبر أتدبر. تتدبر أتدبر.
تتدبرون نتدبر.
تتدبرون نتدبر. تتدبرون نتدبر.
Okay, with me. بسم الله. يتدبر يتدبرون. تتدبر أتدبر. تتدبرون نتدبر. Once again. يتدبر يتدبرون. تتدبر أتدبر. تتدبرون نتدبر. علم. Even though there are lots of tas and dal, I mean there is so much kind of tatada, but if you know the structure, the things are very simple, inshallah. Let's take spoken Arabic. Hal yatadabbaru, does he ponder? So you say yes, he ponders, meaning ponder the Quran. Hal yatadabbarun? Naam yatadabbarun. Answer me. Hal yatadabbaru?
نعم يتدبر.
Hal yatadabbaruna?
نعم يتدبرون.
Again, هل يتدبروا؟
نعم يتدبر.
هل يتدبرون؟
نعم يتدبرون.
علم. Okay, you and me. هل تتدبروا؟
نعم أتدبر.
هل تتدبرون؟
نعم نتدبر.
Once again, هل تتدبروا؟
نعم أتدبر.
هل تتدبرون؟
نعم نتدبر.
علم. Now we add a phrase في القرآن, in the Quran. هل يتدبر في القرآن? Does he ponder the Quran? Or does he think over when he recites the Quran? So you will say نعم, and just في القرآن will be added to all the questions and answers as usual, I mean as to the questions that we have taken before. So answer me with yes. هل يتدبر في القرآن؟
نعم يتدبر في القرآن.
هل يتدبرون في القرآن؟
نعم يتدبرون في القرآن.
علم. Now between you and me, هل تتدبر في القرآن؟ نعم أتدبر في القرآن. هل تتدبرون في القرآن؟ نعم نتدبر في القرآن. The same thing that we took before, except that we have the extra phrase في القرآن. So answer me with yes. هل تتدبر في القرآن؟
نعم أتدبر في القرآن.
هل تتدبرون في القرآن؟
نعم نتدبر في القرآن.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now we take the Amr. Amr here is very, very special. I mean, very slight difference is there. So far we have been telling that for making Amr, you have to put sukoon on the last letter and kasra before it. In case of tadabbur, no. For example, earlier we saw allama allim, hasaba hasib, aslama aslim. But in tadabbara, it is not tadabbir, it is tadabbar. Don't put it down. Just as a tip, I say, as far as pondering the Quran, you should never, give up. You should never break that habit. You should be doing it continuously. Don't go down to kasra. Tadabbar. Okay, it's not tadabbir. Tadabbar. And the plural will be tadabbaru, la tatadabbar, la tatadabbaru. Alright. Can you translate with actions? Tadabbar,
Ponder.
tadabbaru,
Ponder.
la tatadabbar,
Don't ponder.
la tatadabbaru.
Don't ponder.
Alright, repeat after me 2 times. Tadabbar, tadabbaru.
Tadabbar, tadabbaru. Tadabbar, tadabbaru.
La tatadabbar, la tatadabbaru.
La tatadabbar, la tatadabbaru. La tatadabbar, la tatadabbaru.
Okay, with me. Tadabbar, tadabbaru.
La tatadabbar, la tatadabbaru.
Once again.
Tadabbar, tadabbaru. La tatadabbar, la tatadabbaru.
Alright, Alim. Alright, if I say tadabbar, ponder, what will you say? Atadabbar, I will ponder or I ponder. Tadabbaru, na tadabbaru. Answer me. Tadabbar,
Atadabbaru.
tadabbaru.
Natadabbaru.
Again, tadabbar,
Atadabbaru.
tadabbaru.
Natadabbaru.
Alhamdulillah. Now we take fa'il and maf'ul. That formula is same from the beginning. For example, allama, muallim, muallam. Put mu on the mouth of madi ki. Okay. So allama, muallim, muallam. Hasaba, muhasib, muhasab. Similarly, tadabbara, mutadabbir, the one who ponders. Mutadabbar, that which is pondered upon. And action is tadabbur. Tadabbur. Quran is revealed for tadabbur, pondering. Alright, so can you translate? Mutadabbir,
The one who ponders.
Mutadabbar, that which is pondered on. And tadabbur, to ponder. Repeat after me 2 times. Mutadabbir, mutadabbar, tadabbur.
Mutadabbir, mutadabbar, tadabbur. Mutadabbir, mutadabbar, tadabbur.
MashaAllah. Alim. We are left with 2. Huwa fa'ala, hiya fa'alat. So huwa tadabbara, hiya tadabbarat. She pondered. And huwa yatadabbaru, hiya tatadabbaru. She ponders. Can you answer me? Huwa tadabbara, hiya
Tadabbarat.
huwa yatadabbaru, hiya tatadabbaru. Once again, huwa tadabbara, hiya
Tadabbarat.
huwa yatadabbaru, hiya
Tatadabbaru.
MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Alim. Now we have the whole table ready for us. So can you repeat with me? Bismillah.
Tadabbara, tadabbaru, tadabbarta, tadabbartu, tadabbartum, tadabbarna.
Yatadabbaru, yatadabbaruna, tatadabbaru, atadabbaru, tatadabbaruna, natadabbaru. Tadabbar, tadabbaru, la tatadabbar, la tatadabbaru. Mutadabbir, mutadabbar, tadabbur. And the last 2. Tadabbarat, tatadabbaru. MashaAllah. Ali. Even though it occurs only 4 times in the Quran in its different forms, but it is very important verb. Almost 400 verbs occur on these styles. On this style. Anyway, let's take the 6 keys, 3 verb keys and 3 noun keys. Repeat after me. Tadabbara, yatadabbaru, tadabbar.
Tadabbara, yatadabbaru, tadabbar.
Mutadabbir, mutadabbar, tadabbur.
Mutadabbir, mutadabbar, tadabbur.
With me. Tadabbara, yatadabbaru, tadabbar. Mutadabbir, mutadabbar, tadabbur. MashaAllah. Alim. Alright, so we have taken allama, hasaba, aslama, ikhtalafa, istaghfara. Those are the 5, most commonly occurring mazid fi, but we have taken one more, which is tadabbur. Practice tadabbur table thoroughly and answer the questions that are given in the workbook. If you don't have the workbook, download it from the website. And on the same pattern, we have tawakkala. We have tawakkala. Tawakkala means he put trust. Okay, we say tawakkal ala Allah. So tawakkala, he put trust. So make all the forms of tawakkala. Tawakkala, tawakkalu, tawakkalta, tawakkaltu, tawakkaltum, tawakkalna. Yatawakkalu, yatawakkaluna, tatawakkalu, atawakkalu, tatawakkaluna, natawakkalu, tawakkal, tawakkalu, la tatawakkal, la tatawakkalu. Mutawakkil, mutawakkal, tawakkul, tawakkalat, tatawakkalu. I hope you can do that. It's very simple, same formula that you have been learning, except that those extra letters are carried on everywhere. Alhamdulillah. Don't forget the 7 types of homework. Learn from videos. If you can't watch them continuously, consistently, then it is better to have a group of 2-3 of you, friends, neighbors, but sit together and watch it from the videos. And whenever I say Alim, pause the video and practice among yourself. Expert teachers are also available on our website, so you can have one-to-one class exclusively for you or with your family members. But the best thing is that you become a teacher, download the PPTs and start teaching. And if you want teachers training, that is also available at understandquran.com. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate and memorize the Quran. Jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. نستغفرك ونتوب إليك والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum